What if Toyota decided to build the ultimate luxury family flagship, blending the comfort of a premium van with the aggression of a performance SUV? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, because today we are looking at what could be the 2028 Toyota Granlux, a bold reimagining of the Alphard formula wrapped in a completely new identity. Right from the front, this thing commands attention. That massive vertical slat grille, finished in gloss black and chrome, looks like it belongs on something twice as expensive. The split headlight design is sharp and angular, giving the Granlux a much more dramatic road presence than the outgoing Alphard. Walking around to the back, the design language continues with a full-width taillight bar, and look at that dual exhaust setup peeking out from the rear diffuser. Definitely unexpected for a van of this class. The two-tone paint finish, that deep blue over pearl white split, gives it an almost bespoke, coach-built feel. Now step inside, and this is where the Granlux really tries to justify a flagship price tag. Captain's chairs finished in a deep red leather, quilted stitching, powered leg rests. This is first-class airline seating on wheels. Up front, the dashboard is dominated by a triple-screen layout stretching almost the entire width of the cabin, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Under that sculpted hood, we are expecting Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, likely a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors, similar architecture to what we have seen in recent Toyota hybrid systems. Expect a combined output somewhere in the range of 250 to 280 horsepower, delivered smoothly through an electronic continuously variable transmission, prioritizing comfort and efficiency over outright speed. Given the level of customization and materials on display here, we are predicting a starting price well north of $100,000 for a fully loaded configuration like this one. As for timing, if development continues on this trajectory, we could see the Toyota Granlux officially unveiled sometime in late 2027, with production versions arriving in select global markets throughout 2028.